Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X1. So any settings here, you've got menu button up there, click on menu and you've got telephone over here. So if we click on these buttons here, activate or pair telephone, and then you've got BT over here. So if I click, you've got back there, which is that one, and BT there. So if I click BT, you've got delete, search, help, but it's showing my phone here. I want to delete it. See Barry's iPhone there. So delete, yes, click yes. That's it again. Another one, delete, yes, delete, yes, delete. And plenty of phones in that family. So that's it, and then we just click back and you're back to the main screen. Simple system to use, and a good system too. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X1. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth's on, and then we go to the audio system, and you've got menu on the top right hand there. Click menu and telephone configuration there. So we'll click telephone. Please pair telephone in BT menu, search. So we're watching out at the bottom, and then we click search. Hands-free, and then it's changed to BMW 24286. So we'll click on that, and here we've got external device ready, help, reject or add. So we click add. We've now got to put a code in, so I'll go for 0000, and then we have to click OK at the end there. 0000 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, but you would, so you'd be clicking allow and don't allow for me. And it's let's see, it's connected there right at the top, and it's showing connected down here. That's it, easy system, and that's it done.